Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This week I wanted to show you a quick recipe. It's a pumpkin seed pesto that I really love. It's a really quick and easy pesto recipe. It's great for tossing pasta in, using it as a sandwich spread, or marinating chicken. Find the full recipe down below in the description. I have 3 ounces of fresh basil here that I'm going to pick off all the leaves of. Next, I'll zest and juice 1 lemon. The lemon makes this pesto really bright and citrusy. In a blender or food processor, we're going to combine all the ingredients together. First, start with the basil. Pesto is traditionally made with pine nuts, but today I'm going to use toasted pepitas, which are pumpkin seeds. You could also use any kind of nut. I'm also adding 2 ounces of fresh spinach. This will bulk up the pesto and also give it a nice bright green color. Add the juice and zest of the lemon we squeezed earlier, a heavy pinch of kosher salt, and some cracked black pepper. Finally, I'm adding a neutral oil, like a vegetable oil or a canola oil. I'm adding about a 1/4 cup to start, and then adding more as needed. Now, I'm blending it all together, pushing down the fresh spinach and basil until it blends evenly. Add more oil a little bit at a time until the pesto is really smooth. If you like your pesto with a little bit of texture, you don't have to blend it as much. And it's just that easy. I made this pesto in a few minutes. I'm going to use my pesto today to marinate a piece of fish and throw on the grill. Cheers everyone, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next week with an all-new recipe. Be sure to like and subscribe for all the latest recipes, tricks, and tips.